Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn the essential designing tools in Photoshop for beginners. Let's begin. Move tool, it moves a selection or layer. Rectangular marquee tool, it makes a section in the shape or rectangle. Lasso tool, it makes a freehand selection. Quick selection tool, it makes a selection by finding and following the edge in an image. The crop tool, it trims or expands the edge of an image. Frame tool creates placeholder frame for images. Eyedropper tool, it sample colors from an image. Spot healing brush tool, it removes marks and blemishes. Brush tool, paint customs brush strokes. Clone stamp tool, paint with a pixel from another part of the image. Erase tool changes pixels to the background color or make them transparent. Gradient tool creates a gradual blend between colors. Blur tool blurs area in an image. Dodge tool lightens area in an image. Pen tool makes and changes path or shapers with an anchor point and handle. Path selection tool, select a whole path. Shapes tools draws different types of shapes. Pan tool pans over different parts of an image. Zoom tool magnifies or reduces the views of an image.